position. And Papa Charlie, cancel your takeoff clearance. Advise when you're holding short of runway 27.
Traffic.
Baronet, runway 27 cleared for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, April. And highway holding short of 27 on the south side. You're cleared for takeoff, runway 27. Beautiful paint job. Hey, paint job, what's your type? Oh, thank you. And just curious, is that a Porter? Awesome. Maintain at or below 1,300 until exiting the Delta. Fly headings 270 through 360. DC-3 turbine, runway 27 cleared for takeoff. And red and white high wing, runway 27, line up and wait. And red and white high wing, clear for takeoff, runway 27. Flight is 27, runway, correction, runway 27, line up and wait. And departures runway 27, fly at or below 1,300, headings 270 through 360. Flight is cleared for takeoff, runway 27. RV, runway 27, line up and wait. And Trojans, are you on frequency? RV, runway 27, cleared for takeoff. VTAL, Oshkosh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Obstacle.
Traffic.
Check, flap.
VTAL, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Thanks for nice work.
Thank you. And Tail Drager, runway 27, line up and wait.
Traffic.
And Flight of 4, enter right base, runway 27, clear to land,
Traffic.
wind 260 at 5. Approved, report initial for runway 27, right turns. Tail Dragger, runway 27, cleared for takeoff. Cherokee, Oshkosh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait. Cherokee Southside, runway 27, line up and wait.
Check, flap.